Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I help people to expand their consciousness and raise their vibration. And if you're new here, then welcome. Today I'm just gonna talk about really short and just give you a reminder that it is really important to ask yourself. Because sometimes we just go on to our day, do our tasks and duties, and think to ourselves, how can we help others, or maybe please others, like people please. So it's really important to remember to ask yourself first and foremost, because when you ask yourself for what you need, your body, mind, and soul, your spirit, then you will be so much more service to others when you are in balance. So that's why self-love is so important and not at all selfish. It's actually the opposite. It's about loving yourself just as much as you love others, because you cannot give anyone anything than what you have already. So ask yourself, what can I do today to fill my need of my body, mind, and spirit? And that could be, example, mind could be meditation, body could be yoga, and your spirit could be something that you really love to do. Like example, writing songs. I love to write songs. Whatever that you burn for, helping others in some kind of way. Because I think we all burn to help others and love to help others when we really truly love ourselves. Because then we want to help others because we love ourselves as much as we love others. So we love to help others because we love to help ourselves, love to love ourselves. So that was just a short video of today. And I just wish you a lot of unconditional love on your journey and just right now in general. And I hope to see you next time. Remember to subscribe and like in peace if you like this video and would like more like this. You can also write in the comments if there's anything you have in your heart, want to say, questions, anything you want me to talk about. And remember to subscribe with the bell so you get updated when I post a new video. And I'll see you next time.